So in this video, it's gonna be a real quick one. I'm gonna replace the trunk supports. These really aren't too bad. The biggest thing from a rental, I'm always worried if they go down. If the shocks are good, it won't slam like this. See how it sort of falls? So what I don't want someone to do is start pushing it down, have their hand in there and get smashed. So you'll replace one at a time. It's super easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. Like scratching the paint here. And it'll simply come off. It's actually not too bad a condition. One of the new ones. Usually you just have to turn them to make sure one side faces the other like that, and simply just snap it in. That's it. Give them a tug to make sure they fit. Again, as long as the screwdriver can fit up here, you just pull it out. Now these are actually better condition than most I pull out. Rotate them. And that's it. And replaced. And if you look now, see how the thing rebounds? Even if you go down to here, it won't slam your hand. So that's how it's important, again, because it's a rental car. I don't want someone hurting their hands or anything like that. So, and they're a lot harder to push down when the supports are good. Part number on those trunk supports or trunk struts, 96803.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.